We have arrived at Speed Vegas in Las Vegas. We are here to set the lap record in the Lamborghini Performante. I hope you enjoy this video.
Feels a little bit more stable. I haven't really driven this car a whole lot. I've coached in it a bunch, but haven't got to drive it at a good speed yet. So
Yeah.
Because you want brake toward the orange, coast over toward the blue, use that grip, start your turning, and a little bit of gas coming out of here. Nice. Off the gas just for a second. Keep it right, keep it right. Now start your left. A little bit of gas coming out of here. Straighten her up all the way up to the blue. Little bit of gas around this corner. There you go, there you go. Now brake. Coast and turn in. Just a little gas as you come to the right. Squeeze that throttle more to the left. Keep on it here. Perfect. Brake toward the blue. Coast into the right. Little bit of gas as you come around this left. And let it rip. Perfect. Shift. Nice. And shift. All the way up to the two orange cones and brake. Perfect. Back a little up,
so
brake.
easy.
Turn in right. Very smooth.
The brakes are so easy on it.
Back in the gas here. Let it rip all the way to the two cones. Brake here, stay wide just for a second. Now coast over toward the blue. Start your turn in here and squeeze back onto that throttle. A little bit more, a little bit more. There you go. Tires are getting a little slick now, huh? Right side, right side. Now back to the left. A little bit of gas out of here. Straighten up that wheel and let it rip all the way to the blue. Now a little gas. Now brake. Turn in, let it coast for a second. Then a little gas coming through the brake. Nice, perfect. Beautiful. Keep looking against that blue cone. Brake toward the blue. Coast into the right. A lot of grip in this car. Squeeze that gas a little bit more, a little bit more. Now brake, downshift. Turn in, let it coast. A little bit of gas. Straighten her up and let it rip. Nice. Shift. Now back off. Coast into the right.
Easy.
Little bit of gas now coming through this left. Little bit more, and now as hard as you want up to the two orange cones. And brake. Keep it wide. Coast into the left, and then a little gas now. Beautiful. Perfect. Lift off your gas just for a second. Keep it right. Keep it right. Now start your left. Little more gas. Keep it tight. We're going to pass them on the left. Let it rip. Back off just a bit, and then a little gas here. Nice. Brake here, turn in now, let it coast, and then a little gas coming through the right, a little more to the left, keep squeezing it, now as hard as you want. Brake toward the blue, coast into the right, just a little gas swinging around this left, a little bit more, now brake, downshift, turn in, coasting, a little bit of gas now, unwind that wheel and let it rip. That was a good lap. and brake. Down again, Back off just a little on your brake. Coast into the right. Wait on it, wait on it. Now back in the gas. Straighten it up all the way to the 2 orange cones. And brake. Keep it wide. Back it down just a little. Do our cool down lap here, Daniel.
Lovely. Absolutely.
Probably should have saved this one for the last. Because I think you like this one a lot.
Wow. It's just everything you want from a car. As you can see from me, it's a massive thumbs up, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and a massive thank you to Chris at Speed Vegas.